Right, bit of a sidetrack now. This is the gearbox and bell housing I'm going to use. It's the Hive box, the QBE62G, and the bell housing that was supplied by AK Sports Cars. Right, so because I'm trying to keep the cost relatively low when it comes to engine bits and bobs, clutches, I'm trying to use a standard flywheel and a standard 10-inch clutch, which should fit, but until I actually try it, I'm not sure. What I do know is that I'm going to have to modify the bell housing to take the flywheel. As you can see, the black line there. I've got to set it up in a milling machine and just mill down. Now, I've already done my dimensions, and the face of the flywheel protrudes into the bell housing by 32 millimeters. But then I have to add on the thickness of the clutch, which is bolted to the face of the flywheel. So I've allowed myself 38 millimeters. So I have to cut in 38 millimeters. And to work out the radius, I've made up an adapter out of hosing, God knows what else, so that I can slide the tube over the input shaft. Gives me a nice fit, and then the flywheel over some hosing so it's dead central, and I've then scribed a line around, so that's my line. I'll probably go 4 millimeters, probably 5 millimeters beyond that, just to play safe, although there is no movement up or down, and I can rotate this. In fact, rotating the input shaft, and everything is staying where it should do. So having marked it up, I know my depth, so that's the next part I'm going to do, is to machine the bell housing. So hopefully I'll try to show you that. So here we go. Right, so this is how it's going to work. You have a couple of pieces of MDF, which I'm going to just stick together for the moment. Sorry for the camera wobble. And then I'm going to bolt that onto my rotating table. And then the bell housing, I should bolt onto my MDF. I should bolt onto my MDF, and then I will then bolt the rotating table onto my vertical milling machine, probably about here. And with a cutter, I can then rotate, and hopefully I can cut out my clearance. But keep watching to see if it works. Right, that's my setup. Bell housing bolted to the right, vertical table is wide. Cutter now, it's doing this very, very slow. Literally about 0.2 millimeter per cut. Really makes no sense. It'll take a while. I'm in no rush. That's one pass done, or lots of passes done. So I should work my way down to my 38 millimeters, then bring the cutter in and do again and again until I've removed the cutout. So let's see how we get on with that. See you probably tomorrow. Right, that's the all machining done. Not the most brilliant job, but then it's only a little end mill. So you can see I've cut down to there and around and up. If we come round, I've cut round there to clear the flywheel and at the back there, and just had to slightly cut in there. But I did set the diameter quite a bit bigger than what was actually needed just to play safe. So the proof now is in the pudding. We will see if this will fit over the engine with the flywheel and clutch mounted. Right, sorry for the shaky camera. Right, that's the machining done on the bell housing. That's flywheel fitted and clutch plate or clutch pack fitted. I'm using also the steel plate that goes between the bell housing and the block. It was tight. I don't know if you can actually get in there to see it. There we go. I got about 2mm clearance all round, so I'm quite happy with that. Shouldn't be a problem. Very pleased.